Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites are satisfied. Update Windows and GPU drivers so the sim has compatible libraries. Once done, sign into the Microsoft Store or Xbox app with the account that owns Flight Simulator. This authorizes downloads. Next, free at least 150 gigabytes and verify a stable 5 megabit per second or faster connection because update packages and world data are large. Start the app launcher now and navigate to your game page to trigger the download. This initiates the update process immediately. Once the update starts, you manage bandwidth and content selection to keep things efficient. You should pause streaming, backups, and other downloads, and when possible, plug into Ethernet for steadier throughput. Make sure background downloads are enabled in the Xbox app settings so the updater can fetch files without blocking play later. If the update offers optional world or aircraft packs, install only what you need to reduce time and disk use. Monitor progress in the app and let the service complete all file verification steps. After installation finishes, restart your PC to finalize driver and file locks. Then launch the sim and confirm the in-game version number and content manager items updated. If you see missing scenery or aircraft, clear the rolling cache and allow the simulator to rebuild terrain and assets. This fixes many post-update glitches. If files fail verification, run the Xbox app or Microsoft Store repair option or reset the store cache. When errors persist, reinstall only the core app to preserve community mods and re-download required packages.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.